Here's how to find and share your Fantasy Premier League FPL League code, making it simple to invite friends or join mini leagues. So you need to go ahead and open a web browser on your device. Go to fantasy.premierleague.com, log into your specific account. Now, from the homepage, go to the option of Leagues and Cups, which is between transfers and fixtures. Now, find your desired league. Once you find it, click on the settings icon beside it. In the menu that appears, you'll see the option of invite players in the top right. Go ahead and select it. You'll also have the option to share your league code via email or copy an auto join link. And once you copy the link, you can go ahead and paste and share the code or link with anyone you wish to invite to your league. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.